guys, what is up? I am LC. Welcome back to my channel. Woo! If you are new here, don't forget that if you like what you see, you can subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. You can also turn on notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So I got this cute little package in the mail. It kind of reminds me of, what is it, Ipsy packaging or something like that, pink, metallic, I don't know. I like it, it's cute. And inside was my order from SMOLDER Cosmetics. Now, they are a smaller brand. I'll put their information up on the screen so that you can see all the details. They are small compared obviously to other brands. They do a lot of stuff with pigments. They have these sparkly, gorgeous, amazing, oh, they're so good. I will show a couple of clips, like my favorite ones that are on their Instagram, of them swatching these beautiful, oh, they're so good. Everything came in this cute little bag, which I just like. I don't know, I appreciate little things like that. I don't know. And of course I got the Smolder potion, which is supposed to be their really good mixer to make these things pop. I do want to mention that this, along with two of the pigments, I got as a bundle on their website, and I can't remember prices, but of course they will be up on the screen. And then the two other ones I got were just separately. So the two pigments that I got in the bundle with the Smolder potion are Cashmere and White Gold. They come in these little containers, which are pretty standard. I mean, like I said, they are a small company, so you really shouldn't expect too much. All right, so on my Instagram stories, I had already showed you White Gold and Sand, so right now I'm gonna show you swatches of Pink Gold and Cashmere, which are probably my two favorites. All right, so that is Cashmere, which just, I mean, sorry, my arm has to be all twisted. I did this wrong, but it's gorgeous. I mean, look at that. And this is a dry swatch with my finger. I just take a little bit on my finger. I mean, look at how much picks up. Like, that's insane. Now, as I'm rubbing it in, I decided to do it on my hand this time. It seems more fluffy than Cashmere and White Gold. It feels a lot like Sand to me, where it just seems more of a pigment rather than super shimmery with lots of sparkle. So that's the only difference I see between their pigments, is some just have more of a sparkle and a glitter to them, where others seem to be more of just a very reflective pigment, you know? All right, so that is Pink Gold. Oh my goodness, the reflect on this is gorgeous. Oh, you can see the pink, and when it shifts, it looks gold. It's so like, what? Now, I do want to do a couple wet swatches as well, just because that's how they showcase a lot of their stuff on their Instagram. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I honestly don't know how you're supposed to do this. There's not really a lot of instructions. They just say throw a few drops in there and then mix it up. I don't know. I mean, when you mix it up, it all just gets stuck to the brush. I don't know. Let's try. Let's try it. It worked a little bit. I mean, that looks nice. It's a little chunky up in there, but it looks beautiful, and it's possible that I just used too much of the pigment. I don't know. It's a little hard, like I said, to kind of guesstimate what you're supposed to do or how much you're supposed to do. Now, I'd really like to try White Gold. I have about that much in the cap, and then I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't add enough of the Smolder potion, it just is extremely clumpy. It just clumps up, it looks weird, it doesn't go smoothly onto the skin. Because as you can see, like as I'm mixing, it's literally just all on the brush. Ooh, wow. Ooh, again, a little clumpy, but oh, wow. Gosh. Wow, this stuff dries really quickly too, and it's not coming off at all. Like, wow, that is impressive. I am gonna go ahead and just kind of do my eyes off camera, and then we'll come back to add the pigments. All right, so I decided to do kind of a peachy look to match my hair. Now we are gonna figure out what we're doing with these pigments. We're gonna go ahead and do White Gold as a highlight. I'm just gonna dip into whatever's on the top Oh boy. I'm doing it dry first just to see how it looks. Ooh, that is really pretty, and it's really interesting because on my hand it looks way more white, and on my face it's definitely like gold. Ooh, oh! Now I'm gonna spray the brush. Okay. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, okay. Oh shit. It's very intense when you first put it on, but it does blend out nicely. Oh my gosh, look at that. I need to put some blush on right now and get that blended out. I would say though that if you have a lot of texture that you might want to be careful because it's bringing everything to light. I'm gonna go ahead and get this pink gold ready. I'm gonna go ahead and take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I just checked on Instagram, it looks like they put a lot of the Smolder potion, but it does seem to be mixing up better. As you can see though, I mean, it all just gets picked up on the brush. Nothing gets left behind. Let's go ahead and start putting it on the eyes before it dries, because this does dry very quickly. Ooh. Oh wow. That's really pretty. I hope it's picking up on camera the way that it is in person. Let me try to see if I have any left in here. I mean, that was a lot of pigment I used, and look it's all gone. That looks so good. Oh, and it's drying pretty quickly. Like this side feels as if it's already dried down. I'm gonna actually try to mix a little more and see how well this layers. So that's how much I have now. I know it's probably way too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so this time mixing it, I don't know if you can tell, but I don't want to spill it. I got it much more liquidy and just the way that it's supposed to be, the way that they show it on the website. So definitely more liquid is needed. Like, if you think you're doing too much, you're probably not. I mean, you know, you might be, but you're probably not. All right, so we're gonna go in with the second layer. I already did this eye. I'll tell you my feels after we finish this one, but so this is how it looks with just one layer, and I do like it. It looks nice, but let's go ahead and do a little bit more. I don't want too much. Okay, so I probably mixed up a little bit too much with this batch, but I just wanted to make sure I did it right. It's definitely like super beautiful. You can see just all the shimmer in there, like, oh, yes. Let me talk really quickly about the second layer of this on my eyes. It looks beautiful. I mean, that looks so much more intense than it did. I'm gonna fix up the edges in a minute, but it is really heavy. I mean, I can feel this on my eyelids so much. I mean, it's heavy, okay? So when I say that, I mean, it's just a little bit uncomfortable, that's all. I wouldn't really want to wear it like all night or all day, but it does look beautiful, so it's not that it's not worth it, but it's something to consider. With the second layer, it is going to be a little bit more heavy, so maybe just try to do as much opacity as you can with one layer. Maybe I just didn't do enough of the pigment. That's something that is possible as well, so I'm going to fix up the edges and put on some lashes, and we'll come back and talk about my final thoughts. Alrighty, so I am back. I really like this look so much. I keep looking at myself in the mirror. Now, as far as the products go, I do feel like if you get these smaller containers, which are $9, it's not that bad. You're getting a great, beautiful product for a really affordable price. You know, there's a lot of places where you can get loose pigments for much more than that, and it's, you know, sometimes you don't know. This, I do think you're getting quite a lot in here for $9 as well, so I mean, it's not too bad. My only issue is that it's I feel like I had to use so much pigment to equal out with the liquid, if you know what I mean, and I didn't need that much. There was a lot of wasted pigment. I don't know if that's just something I have to play around with and get used to and see what my, you know, I don't know. But yeah, that is my one complaint. I'm really, really looking forward to trying out cashmere and sand on my eyes. I think that they will look gorgeous. So good. Also, white gold, I loved it as, like, it's good. This on the eyes, ooh, that is gonna be poppin' and intense, so we'll see. Now, like I had said in the beginning, I got 2 of these pigments as a bundle along with the Smolder potion. That was $28. I don't really know if 28, I mean, that's kind of expensive, but not too bad, I guess. You're getting 3 products for 28 bucks, so I don't know how I feel about that. I do think that you get quite a bit of the Smolder potion in that bundle. At least if you decide to buy more pigments, you don't have to buy more of this. So this is pretty good. I would definitely consider trying this with my other pigments. You know, I have tons of loose pigments that I love to use, but sometimes I don't because they're a hassle. And even if you use Fix Plus or water or whatever you have, it doesn't always work. It's just kind of a mess. This made it really easy to apply. It dried down so quickly, like so fast, which is awesome. And yeah, I don't know, I like this, but it also is very, very drying. So that's something to think about. And yeah, I guess that's it. I really enjoyed my experience. I wouldn't say that I am head over heels over this stuff. They have great quality products. You're not gonna be like totally disappointed. It just didn't blow me away, that's all. I do like them though, and I will keep playing around with them and let you know how I feel in the future. Anyways, guys, I guess that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have seen them on Instagram and have been deciding what to do, I hope that this helped you make a decision. If not, then I just hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And yeah, until next time, guys, stay flawless. Bye.